kailangan mong pagbutihin. Tapos nung nawala, bilang pet project niya nga yan, parang we offer him this project sa kanya. So, alam naman natin na parang happy siya sa nang-come sa resulta ng Lavender Fields. So, Sir Deo, we offered this show to you.
Another favorite director, in-house director namin sa Dreamscape, Direct Manny. Ikaw hands-on ka, kayo ni Sir Deo, nag-uusap kayo exactly how you wanted things done.
Yes, of course I miss his, yung guidance niya and his criticism and his comments. Yun ang nakakakaba minsan, especially when you're doing a pilot for a new show. No? Pero at the same time, we are always challenged to come up with something better. Not necessarily bigger, but better every time every time we direct a project. As I said kanina, di ba, ang pinagsimulan niyan yung kanyang hilig sa flower arrangement, sa tablescapes, at saka yung, yun, di ba Joel, yung may nakalagay doon sa bar niya, who are you when no one's watching, no? Di ba? Anong suot mong maskara kapag walang nakatingin sa'yo? Yun ang pinagmula ng gist ng kwento at yun isa sa mga naging premise ng narrative, no? And as Direk Jojo said, we dedicate this project to him. Of course, we miss him dearly as a boss and as a friend. And I hope through this project, we honor his inspired leadership and his genius as a creator.
Thank you, Direct Manny. Biggs! Ikaw na, Biggs, ang nakalagay dito.
Before si Biggs, I'd like to acknowledge, syempre, Mother Biboy Arboleda.
Mother Biggs is here?
Yeah!
Splack attack!
As early as 9 a.m. andito na siya. And of course, our bosses.
Splack attack, Mother Biggs.
Kylie Manalo Balagtas and Rondel and Pilindayag. Alright.
Hello, Biggs! Ikaw na!
Biggsy!
Hello, congratulations!
Where are you?
Here in
front!
Hi, Biggs!
Hi, Vix!
Hi, Echo! Hi, Popcorn!
Ay, lambot.
Charot lang. So, ang tanong ko ay para kay Mr. Pogi ng Marikina. Charot lang. So,
Wala naman luluma pa sa reference mo na yun.
Hindi, nabasa ko sa Google now. Just now. Pero for Echo, what for you is the best form of revenge?
Oh my God. Parang kay Jody dapat yung tanong na yun. But hey, Popcorn. Nice to see you. Gosh. I'm stumped.
Bakit nga kay Echo mo natanong, Biggsy? Basta lang.
But yeah, sure. I'd like to pass this microphone to to the two girls later. Pero I'm very far from my character talaga. I don't like revenge. I don't take revenge. But siguro kung magre-revenge talaga ako, siguro ngunguyain ko yung tao, ganun. Tapos magiging dinosaur ako. Tapos sampahan ko siya. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. But I guess the best form of revenge is to not give power to this pain or whatever was negative was inflicted towards you. Don't give it life, give it power, and just use it to become a better person. Or you can be the dinosaur and squeeze it and bite it. But just please. Can Jody answer the question?
Yes, please.
Kasi ikaw yung may revenge eh. Tanong natin kay Tita Maria ulit, maninipa na naman dito.
Pagsimakan ako. No, I think the best form of revenge. I think just to ako parang sa akin, just to stay silent when somebody expects you to be enraged. Diba? Huwag mong ibibigay yung gusto nila. Huwag kang lumevel sa kung nasaan sila. Always choose the higher road. Always choose to be the bigger person. Yeah.
What about you? What about you, Iris? Hindi, kinuha na natin. In-intercept na natin si Popcorn.
Kasama ka ba sa press?
Oo, dito pala ako. Ano masasabi niyo?
Ako, pareho lang kay Ate Jody. So tingin ko talaga, the best form of revenge is when you don't need revenge anymore.
parang okay ka na sa sarili mo, nalampasan mo na kung ano mang kasamaan ang ginawa nila sa'yo at pinagbutihan mo na lang ang sarili mo at mga decision mo. Parang hindi mo na sila kailangan lingunin. Parang yun na yung pinaka-best revenge.
Yeah.
Pero that takes a lot of self-control, maturity, di ba? Hindi yun madali.
Bigay nyo na lang yan sa labi.
Wish them well.
Yes! Prayers.
Pero kay Janine, congratulations, ang galing-galing mo bilang kontrabida, nakakagigil ka.
Oh my God, salamat sa Diyos.
Ikaw ba nanggigil ka din sa character mo, watching this kanina?
Hindi ko nararamdaman yun eh. Ako kasi yung tipo na kapag napapanood ko yung sarili ko, naisip ko, ano pa bang pwede kong nagawa para mas mapaganda pa yung eksena. I think a lot of us feel that way. Kaya hindi kami nanonood ng playback, yung ganun. Kasi kailangan mo din ibigay yung tiwala na kapag kinotake na ni Direk, ibig sabihin, good na kila Direk. Yung parang hindi mo na pwedeng pag-obsesa na, shucks, dapat ginalingan ko pa or ganyan. Pero, ano nga ba yung tanong? Thank you! Thank you! Sana nga talaga manggigil kayo. Ako mas nanggigil ako kay Tyrone eh. Kasi nakita ko yung mga panluloko niya. Tapos in the end, parang gusto ko nang kumampi kay Lavender. Parang litong-lito na ako sa nararamdaman ko. Pero sana nga po manggigil kayo. At salamat talaga kay Direk Manny at kay Direk Jojo and Sir Randall and Miss Kylie sa walang sawang tulong at pagpapaliwanag sa akin bilang first time ko talaga gumanap ng parang ganitong klaseng role. So, salamat.
Grabe, dalawang beses mo na nabanggit yung,
Sumakit yung ulo ko sa mga
yung pangloloko.
Ano?
Parang dalawang beses mo na nabanggit yung pangloloko.
Ganun ba? Sabi ko.
Bakit tayo, no?
Thank you, Biggs.
Biggs, may echo lang yun.
Okay,
Biggs
ikaw
to-
yung Jericho.
Okay.
Nanggigil ka ba sa character ni Iris? Kay Iris pala.
Gigil na gigil. Di ba iniintay mo sagot?
Oo, para happy ako.
Ay, anything for you.
Nagbigay sa echo na naman ha. Alam mo namang hindi yan madamo.
No, galing. It's very, very, did you see how different, if you were to graph, alam mo yun, the characters, iba-iba yung kulay namin, di ba? Kahit na, makikita mo talaga iba. Iba yung pagbato namin sa bawat character dito. Oo. So, enjoy namin talaga lahat. Yes, effective lahat ng actors. I mean, hopefully I was able to contribute that also. But yeah, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, Biggs. Maraming salamat. I just wanna say hindi ko alam kung may eksena kayo Inay Maria and Jolens in this series, no? Hindi ko alam. Pero it's refreshing lang to see you again kasi parang napanood ko kayo sa Kung Ayaw Mo, Wag Mo, 1998. Grabe, di ba? 16 years ago, grabe. 1998. 26. 26.
Oo.
Ay, grabe.
Ate!
Let's see kung meron.
I know, yun ang aalamin natin. Okay, I wanna ask the young